If you are in college right now, this might hurt because the job you were planning to get after graduation, ChatGPT already does it. And it doesn't ask for stipend, doesn't take chai breaks, doesn't need a LinkedIn recommendation. It just works. And before you comment, no bro, AI can't replace humans, relax. I'm not saying AI will take all the jobs. I'm saying something worse. AI is exposing how replaceable most internships actually were, and that's uncomfortable part. Let's be brutally honest for 2 minutes. What does the average intern do? They research topics, make PowerPoints, clean Excel sheets, draft emails, summarize reports, write captions, prepare meeting notes, do competitor analysis. Now tell me something, what ChatGPT do? Exactly. And now with AI tools integrated into Notion, Google Docs, Excel, CRM systems, it doesn't just assist, it executes. Here is the scary shift. Earlier, intern does research, sends to manager, manager edits, final output. Now, manager prompts AI, edits slightly, done. Time saved 70%, cost saved 100%. That's not anti-intern, that's math. Imagine this job description in 2026. Looking for intern must compete with AI. We are not far from that. AI replaces predictable work. Internships are predictable. They are structured, task-based, repetitive, instruction-driven. AI loves that. AI doesn't get bored. AI doesn't complain. AI doesn't even procrastinate. You know what AI struggles with? Ambiguity, politics, human emotion, negotiation, reading the room. Which means the safest jobs aren't the smartest jobs. They are the most human jobs. But here is the brutal twist. Most freshers are trained to be instruction followers, not problem solvers. School trains you to memorize, repeat, and submit. AI is elite at that. So if your value is tell me what to do and I'll do it, you are competing with software. That's a dangerous place to be. No company will publicly say we replaced interns with AI. They say we optimized workflows, we increased efficiency, we streamlined operations. Translation: one skilled operator plus AI tools equals to 3 entry-level roles. Look at startups right now. A solo founder can generate pitch decks with AI, analyze competitors instantly, draft legal templates, create marketing campaigns, write landing pages, automate customer support. 10 years ago, that required a small team. Now, laptop plus Wi-Fi plus AI stack. And this is not a future prediction. This is already happening. The biggest shift isn't job loss. It's team size shrinkage. Earlier, being slightly above average was enough. You could survive. Now, AI rises the baseline. Everyone has access to instant research, perfect grammar, structured reports, coding help, design suggestions. So the average output level just increased globally, which means to stand out, you now need judgment because AI can give answers, but it can't decide which answer matters. That's the upgrade. So what does a powerful 2026 intern look like? Not someone who avoids AI, someone who commands it. The winning intern will use AI to deliver 5x output, build side projects using AI, automate small systems, understand distribution, think strategically. Instead of saying, I worked under someone, they'll say, I built this. Proof is greater than resume, portfolio is greater than GPA, execution is greater than degree name. Companies won't hire you because you are hardworking. They'll hire you because you multiply the value. AI is multiplication. In India, especially, we were taught get degree, get internship, get job, climb the ladder. But the ladder is changing shape. Freshers are already struggling to get roles. Now imagine competing with AI enhanced teams. This isn't fear content. This is wake up content because the smartest students right now are learning AI tools deeply, building micro startups, freelancing globally, creating personal brands, understanding tech beyond syllabus. The lazy ones are debating why AI take jobs. Bro, it already changed them. AI is not replacing interns, it's replacing replaceable interns. And that's a very important difference. If your value is mechanical, you are vulnerable. If your value is strategic, you are amplified. This is not the death of opportunity. This is the death of mediocrity. And honestly, that's uncomfortable because the internet has leveled the playing field. AI is the ultimate equalizer. Now, the only question is will you use it or compete against it?